How to fix ChatGPT error in message stream. So if you want to fix the ChatGPT error in your message stream, then what you need to do is open up your settings at first. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps. Under apps, you can tap on manage apps, and from the manage apps, you need to search for ChatGPT. So search for ChatGPT. Once you find ChatGPT, you need to tap on it and then tap on storage. And from here, you need to clear the data, or tap on clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, or once you've cleared the data, now you can go back and open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to just go with your search, and under search, you need to search for ChatGPT. After searching, you will have update. So if you have any updates, you just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Once you've updated, you can restart your device and it will fix your ChatGPT error in your message stream. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.